Hey guys, welcome back. I am super excited for today's video because I did recreate the spider look I've been dying to do. I saw this on Instagram, I saw it in Pinterest, whatever you want to call it. It's literally very viral. I saw Tina recreate this also and hers came out so good. Honestly, you saw her tutorial and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna film it because it doesn't even look that hard. And honestly, it wasn't that hard. But it does require a lot of patience, and honestly I have a really shaky hand, yet I was able to do this. So honestly, you have no excuses to do this. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to do this, keep on watching. Welcome back guys. As you can see, I already went ahead and did one eye off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. I already went ahead and put concealer on my lid, but I'm gonna buff that out. By the way, I am gonna need a napkin. It's about like 4 brushes to do this look, but you do want to clean them off every time you're going back to apply the colors. So I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush and grab the color here from my palette and use that as my transition shade. I'm gonna go in with a flat brush and pack the black on my Jaclyn palette. This black is the blackest shadow. It's so creamy and black, like
honestly, I'm very pissed right now.
So I'm gonna pack translucent powder under my eyes just in case of any fallout. Okay, going back with my flat brush, I am so sorry for that. I'm gonna tap it and then tap whatever fallout I have on my brush and just apply that on my lid. You really want this to be super dark because the legs will show, like as you can see. I should dark that up a little bit more. Going in with my Morphe M506 brush, I am going to go ahead and blend those lines out. I'm doing circles to buff that out. I'm going to go in with a dark brown shade, this one right here. You guys are probably gonna get like a 10 to 15 minute video, and this took me about 3 to 4 hours. So have in mind that don't get frustrated when you're blending, especially if you're using black. My advice when using black is going with a very light hand. Honestly, so little could go so far, so don't get desperate. So when you feel like you incorporated that pretty well, I'm gonna go in with my fluffy brush, the one I used to apply the transition shade, and I am gonna go whatever excess I have on my brush and just blend that out as well. Okay, so when you feel like you have achieved a good blown out black, honestly this is what I am going for, because if you blow out your eye too much, you're gonna be able to see the legs like coming out, and you don't want that. You want that everything to be like dark and blended out. I'm gonna go ahead and just any black liner you have and apply that on your waterline, and try to bring it all the way where your lashes are, just so you can smoke that out. Okay, after applying black eyeliner on your waterline, you're gonna go in with the same black shade and a flat brush. You don't want to pack this brush with black because, like I said, a little goes a long way. Apply that on your waterline. I mean, not waterline, under your waterline. With my Morphe M506, I'm gonna blend that out. Moving on to the spider. I'll tell you guys from the start, this is gonna look so ugly at first. You're gonna think, oh my god, this is not gonna come out good, but I honestly thought the same. I try to go in with a white pencil liner just to like give myself a reference of like what I was doing, but honestly I didn't even need to use it. I just got out of my comfort zone and I went for it. I used my Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner and it worked perfect for me. But use whatever you think you're more comfortable with. If you want to use like a gel liner with like a brush or like a different type of liner, you can go ahead and do that. It's kind of hard to explain what I'm gonna do right now. Just watch and follow. I'm gonna start off with the top, and I'm gonna do the same thing, use my other eye of reference, and just line up the legs a little. When you have your legs outlined already, you're gonna go in with a white eyeliner. I'm gonna use my NYX white liquid liner. This liner is so good and so inexpensive. The only thing about it, I will say, it does crack on you. So after doing the white detail, you're gonna go back to your black liner and outline the white, just so your legs look really dark. When you feel like your legs look how you want them to look, you're gonna go in with the brush you use on your underline, and then you're gonna grab the black, but literally you're gonna literally tap like this, like just like tap it, and you're gonna create the illusion of the shadow of every leg. Okay, so this is how it looks. So far so good. I am so in love how this turned out. I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here. So after finishing some final touches, I am going to go in with mascara. I am not going to use falsies because I already have a black eye look, so my falsies won't even come out. So save your falsies, girls, and just apply mascara on my bottom lashes. By the way, I use my Kat Von D liquid lip in the color Crucifix. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had so much fun recreating this, and it was so easy to do. I had a little bit of a hard time with this eye, which is the one I did off camera, but this one was so much easier to do since I already had this one as reference and I had already tried this out. It looks so good. I honestly fell in love with how it looks. I hope you guys do try this out. If you do, let me know and send me pictures. I would love to see them. I am filming more Halloween tutorials this month. I am super excited for them, and I also hope you guys love them. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Like I always say in my videos, it honestly takes 1 second to do it, so please don't forget to do it. If I did forget to mention some of the products I use, I am going to put them in the description box below. And yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. Bye!